Using purple now. Okay, I just changed my camera. The other camera is just too white. You guys will understand the makeup. My god, I mistakenly touched lavender. I'm supposed to use purple, not lavender. I'm gonna do a poppy purple look, okay? Don't worry guys, don't be afraid. This is a poppy purple. This one is a little bit darker than the others because of the lavender I use. Let me see if I can. Okay, now I'm going to cut crease. I'll just use more than that because of I mistakenly use lavender. Okay guys, so continue watching. This one is more on point. Okay, keep watching as I cut crease. So I'm using this my normal concealer. Okay guys, we just go. Okay, now so I'm going for the color now. Okay, keep watching. So we are going for this palette. This is Revolution palette. We're going for this, and I think I'll be going for this shade here. Okay, that is what I'll be going for. So I'll be going for this Juvia's palette. I don't use this Juvia's, I have it, I don't know why. I don't know why I don't use it. Oh, I think the lights were just too bright. Oh my god, this is why I love my new phone. That phone is more nice. It will make everything shiny. Guys, look at that. Keep watching, okay? I'm using my 2 foundation, and this 2 foundation is Yunda Beauty. This one is a shade Cinnamon, and this one is a shade I have oil all over the place, Hamorati. Okay, I'm gonna mix the 2 together. Yeah, can you see that? I'm gonna mix this 2 foundation. go. We use this one first to blend it. This foundation is for in case you are a older woman, maybe from 25 years. I will recommend this foundation. It will cover everything for you. Okay, I will recommend this foundation in case you are from 25 years above. Okay, so this foundation will give you full covered. Can you see that? I'm not going to blend my neck because I'm going to be putting on a jacket, so that is just a part of the makeup. Okay, I'm just doing this video to make sure that I still have new makeup for my queens. In case you love this makeup, you can go for it. Okay, keep watching as I blend everything in a circular motion. Then the next thing to use is my beauty blender. First of all, I'm going to use this one to blend it before using my beauty blender. Okay, then down of my eyes, I'm going to use a concealer to blend it very well. Keep watching. Okay, that is it. I just use my beauty blender to blend it. Now I'm going for my concealer. Okay, for the concealer, I'm going to be using this shade here. Okay, can you see down of my line, my waterline now? My nose, I don't need it that much. I need the contour to be popping out. Okay, keep washing. I just apply my white powder, so I'm going with the same another type of powder to top it a little bit. This is popping. I love it. This highlighter here is from what they call it is I ordered it as a rainbow highlighter. Will be more better with this makeup, but I just decided to go with it. No eyeliner. Maybe I may be using eyeliner. So I'm back from the school runs now, guys. Yeah, this makeup I left this makeup since more than 1 hour now. So let me finish it, okay? You know, as a mom that can predict everything. So this is the lipstick I'll be going for. I'll be using this very one, okay? And let me go. Let me fix the mirror. Excuse me. this is the finished look, guys, and I hope you love it. Okay, I just did it. This hair. Okay, I also did this. I did this hair myself. Yeah, I think I used it on my last year birthday. Can you remember? Fine. No, my monetization. Can't remember. So everything that I did, guys, in case you need the lipstick, let me know. Whatever you need, just let me know. Better still, add me on IG by Bianca/makeover and the Facebook Bianca Bellezza Guest, my page Mondo di Bellezza. Contact me on my page because I have what they call business site. It's easy immediately. Once you leave message, I will just connect with you with my Mondo di Bellezza, which my page Mondo di Bellezza. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for the patience, thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for your like. Please like the video. Like is very, very important. Okay, so this is it. This is it. This is it. Ciao, ciao. Bye. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again. It's your baby girl, Bianca Bellezza Girls TV. Hey, guys. I'm going to be doing this look, this makeup over here. In case you like this makeup, please help me to like this video. As you like this video, help me to subscribe. Join the family by subscribing, okay? Join the family by subscribing, and thank you so much. Add me on my page by Mondo di Bellezza. So whenever you need anything, contact me through there. Immediately I will respond to your message because I have what they call business site. Immediately you leave me a message, I will respond to you. And another thing again, add me on my Instagram by Bianca/makeover. Immediately I'm gonna follow you back. You follow me, I follow you back immediately. You know what that means? Follow, I follow you. So thank you for tuning in again. We are going to be doing this beautiful makeup over here. In case you like it. The hair, don't worry, guys, I don't have time to style the hair like the way I need it. Yeah, I just need to record this video as soon as possible to go and take care of baby and my mother. You may not have that time to do everything perfect. Mostly when you have a little baby, you are still a nursing mother, so don't stress yourself that much. Do the little you can do, the audience, they will understand. It's only the haters who don't understand things like that. So guys, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Keep watching.